Hi guys! Today I'm going to be sharing with you the paleo organic basil and cracked black pepper smoked chicken sausage. My name is Karissa. I am the author of melonkitchen.net, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to formally welcome you to Melon Kitchen. Let's get into this. These sausages I purchased at Costco, and they are dairy-free, grain-free, soy-free, gluten-free, no sugar added, and non-GMO. What I really liked about these sausages right off is that they're already cooked, and there's multiple ways that you can prepare them. You can grill or fry, bake or microwave. And both meals that I made, I chose to grill them, and I'm really glad that I did. The organic ingredients are all listed there. They only have 1 carb per sausage, 160 calories per sausage, quite a bit of protein as well. So I'm getting ready to make my shish kebabs. I've got the sausage, some pepper, onion, pineapple. I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil, probably avocado oil actually, and a little bit of my favorite pink salt. So these are ready to go on the grill, and they're not going to take very long. The sausages are already cooked, and they turned out beautiful. The smell is amazing. I love grilled pineapple, the peppers, the onion. It just has a great balanced flavor with the sausage. As for the sausages, they are juicy. You can taste the basil and the cracked pepper, and I really enjoyed them. The next meal that I made was simply with cabbage. I steamed the cabbage in my Instant Pot, added some butter and a little black pepper and salt, and it was delicious. I also grilled the sausages this time. I could have all cooked it in one pan, but I like the texture of the sausage when it's grilled. So I definitely enjoyed these sausages. I think I would purchase them again. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grocery hauls, recipes, and food reviews, and I'll see you guys next time.